Oh, hey, come on in. Hello everybody, it's Katie here and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making my husband's favorite dessert and also my favorite dessert. I'm obsessed with a berry crumble. It is so easy, simple, delicious. The whole family will love it. So let's dive on in. As you can see here, we have some super fresh berries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, and let me tell you, I love fresh. Y'all could do this recipe with frozen, but fresh berries, there's nothing better. And oh my goodness, you guys, these strawberries are literally the best strawberries. I got them, they were very expensive, but they're so juicy. I wish I could hand you a strawberry through the screen right now. We're gonna get started. Right now I have the oven preheated to 375 and we're gonna make the crumble on top. I like to make the crumble out of oats and flour. So we're gonna toss in some oats. Perfect. Then a little bit of flour. Taking a little bit of brown sugar. I love brown sugar, you guys. Some maple syrup. This maple flavor goes a long way and it tastes so good, so don't skip it. I'm gonna soften this butter just a little bit. Now, if you guys wanna make this vegan or just a dairy-free option, feel free to swap the butter with some coconut oil. It works just as good. Perfect. A little bit softened. I'm just gonna give this butter a stir and then toss the butter in that oat and flour mixture. Stir that on up. Perfect consistency. Now, let's assemble. It's as easy as that. So if you guys are hosting people over, this is such an easy dessert to prep beforehand and as well and just pop in the oven when you're ready to go. So I'm gonna come in here, take these gorgeous strawberries, toss them in the baking dish. I don't wanna use them all because they're that freaking good. Then I'm gonna do raspberries, some blackberries, last but not least, blueberries. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at that already. These berries look so good. My mouth is already watering. I want to just try a little bit of this. So good. Next, sounds funky, but the acidity from a lemon is very needed. I'm just gonna do a little bit of lemon squeeze on top of these berries. Perfect. And then from there, last thing we do before we pop it in the oven is just take the crumble on top and spread it over the berries. Now, like I said, if you are hosting people and you need a dessert for later, pop it in the refrigerator just like this. Maybe dinner is halfway through. You can put this in the oven so it's ready to go as a dessert. But now let's pop this baby in the oven. It already looks really good. You're gonna have to wait to see how good it looks afterwards. Taste just again. Let's do it. All right, it's been around 35, 40 minutes, and let me tell you, the house smells delicious, divine. So let's take this berry crumble on out. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. It looks absolutely delectable. The perfect level of like toasty oats as well. And the berries are nice, half into a berry compote here. And guys, we are not done. 1 second. Because you cannot serve a berry crumble without vanilla bean ice cream to top. So right here is the perfect dessert if you're hosting people over. All right, I'm just gonna plate some right now because it's too good not to eat while it's hot and fresh. Oh my goodness, yum. And then of course, gotta get that ice cream on top. And when the ice cream melts on top of the berries, what a perfect thing to serve. All right, let's taste test, even though I've had it a million times. Oh my God. To die for. Absolutely unbelievable. I really love the clusters because I can really just taste all the extra goodness of a little crumble on top. Oh my goodness. These hot berries next to the vanilla bean ice cream with the crumble. Oh, absolutely chef's kiss. Please try this as a dessert. Everyone will love it. Plus, it's berries, so at least it's a little healthified. I love you guys, and I'll see you next week on Come On In.